Oh shit. Give them. Just come on.
Can you see
Oh
that?
yeah now.
It's giving roses.
It's
giving roses.
It's giving vibes. Let's go. Give them.
Thank you.
You need hand fan?
Thank you.
Oh god, oh god.
Spoken! It's party time! P-A-R-T. Why? Because I gotta!
Hi guys, welcome to another exciting episode with EnnyGeleCraft. And on today's episode, I will be teaching you the two-sided roses. So to get started, all you need is to divide your ashoke into 50-50. You can use any of the lengths of ashoke, which is 2 yards, 2/4, or 2.5. So base your gele at the back, and then so for this style of gele, you're starting to tie from the back. It must always start from the back. Don't start from the front. Always from the back. So once you pick your pleats, base at the back and come to the front. Then collect all your pleats. Arrange them one by one. Make sure you lay them down well. So you can pick 6 pleats or minimum of 5 pleats, depending on how you want it. 5 or 6. Alright, so align your gele to the center of the head. Okay, then you do the same on the other side. So collect your pleats and arrange. So they are going to be crossing each other in front, which is the center of our head. Alright, so after you get to the middle, all you need to do is collect your pleats, both of them. Then now you're going to be doing a twist. So the one on your right comes to the front, the one on your left goes to the back. So you just twist them that way. So after your twist, she can hold down for you. And once she's holding one side, then you can walk on the other side. But firstly, we need to tidy up the back. So just in case the person is having a ponytail hair, you can bring the hair out before you pin, or you pin directly if the person is having no hair at all. Alright, so making the first side rose, which is the one on my left. So you're going to be rolling the fabric together on top of each other. You don't have to pick equal pleats. You don't have to pick neat pleats. Just pleat them like the way a rose will look. And so after that, you pin down. Alright, so after you pin down, ensure that you pin it very well, because you don't want your gele to go off. Just ensure you pin it well, then before you continue with the next side. So then now on to the next. So you're doing the same thing we did on the right, on the left side. You're doing it on the right side now. So you're twisting on top of each other. So to simplify it, it's just your fabric making a twist on top of each other, on top of each other, on top of each other. Then once you get to the final end of it, the last part of your fabric now goes beneath the coil. Then you have to pin down. So now just follow the coil. Alright, so you can pin now. So when you pin, you still need to do some tightening up, because you want this other side of the rose to look like the first initial rose you picked. So then you pin down at every necessary part just to make it small. And if you would like your rose big, I mean, you can just do you. Make sure it's as beautiful as you want it to be. Alright, so the rose gele, you can actually rock it anyhow you want it, but we're going to be making this one very, very moderate and decent. So guys, so now you do your finishing. Make sure you tidy up, just pin down. So this is still for the moderate size. If you don't want it that flamboyant, just pin them down and make it moderate. So once you're done pinning, now you want to shape them to how you want them to look exactly. Alright, so now you're going to be pinning down the final part. So now you've arranged to your own taste. Make sure you arrange to your taste. So this is how I want mine to look, and now I'm going to be pinning both together. So just use one pin to hold them behind together. Alright guys, so now we're done with our two-sided rose gele. Ready to go. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If this video is really helpful to you and you learned one or two, kindly give this video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to share. If you're new to this channel, kindly click the subscribe button so you don't get to miss out on our DIY classes. Thank you so much. EnnyGeleCraft. Bye.